Imagine a world cloaked in white, where each snowflake tells a story of resilience. Snow, in its quiet beauty, inspires us. As snow blankets the earth, it transforms the landscape into a canvas of possibility. It reminds us of life's fresh starts. Think about the snow's journey, traveling vast distances, facing the fiercest winds, yet it arrives with grace and blankets the earth. Snow teaches us about unity. Each flake, unique in design, comes together to create something spectacular, much like our collective efforts. With each snowfall, nature whispers a lesson in patience. The snow waits for the right moment to melt, urging us to do the same. Let the snow motivate us to appreciate the present, to see the beauty in perseverance, and to embrace the power of renewal.